Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to solve the problem number 11, contains with most water. So it is a very interesting question and often asked in interview. So today I'm going to solve these problems and first try to something tell about that questions. So you have to find the maximum amount of the water container store. Uh, can container store. So these are container you can see and particular container has a height just like last one container has a sevens or threes or just these are given the heights of as an array and in array and you have to find that uh, maximum amount of the water as can contain with the help of that containers you have to find it and after that print it. So I hope you understood the question. So without further delay will we go and let's uh, let's solve the question. So I will be uh, try to solve that easy way and I hope you will be understood the question is end of the videos. So please keep on watching till the end. So I will try to solve that problem and I just give this left is 0 and right is I will find the height pgst height dot length that will contain the end of the and uh, and and value of the height and one max value we assign 0. There is a uh, it is a content that max water's levels max just like a curve will contain this maximum water maximum amount of water. So inside this variable is will contain and I will use a while loop for check this. When is right left is become a data equal to so then after is then after is a law false false this condition and skip that loops when is a not. So I will try to uh, let left al uh, it will be uh, just like a will assign that values what's the value assigned inside this I will assign that height al and let uh, just rh est height and r. After that, for mean. For mean, I was just finding who's the minimum values between them. So just find this who's the minimum values. So why the minimum value finding? Because minimum it's like who's the highest value that is it's when we consider it is not a drop the water from that. I find the minimum water can is where is a drop the water. So that's why reason I want to minimum value that I will consider as a uh, just like a it's like I will consider as a uh, rectangle. It is a minimum that is a length of the rectangle and I have to be uh, I can find that is width with the help of a left and right. And when is that left minus is left minus right, so it will give me is length of that uh, rectangle. So after that, I will be multiply with this just like a length and width. So it will give me area of the rectangle. So I can easy to find out how many waters can contain that with the help of that pillars. So I hope you understood. Don't worry, well not understood. So keep and watching. So definitely you got it. I just find this was a minimum values. So I will use a math dot new and pass that I'll RH. So after that area area and area after that I will multiply mean and L minus R minus L which comes after that I will check the max values the max dot area and max value. Max value comes who's the max area, so it will be assigned. And again, I will put things checked. Cycle and R like the so will be so L plus plus when else R minus minus. And over time we have to print that max value. So let's see it will be running or not. You can say it is a running and it's giving me as 49. It's the maximum amount of the water can contain inside this. So I hope you understood the problems and you can understood the code. Do you have any problem? So please leave the message in description box. Definitely answer your questions. So again, I will try to recap that flow codes, how is happening inside them. So I first assign this 0. This it is indicate of that starting array elements. Indicate of the starting elements 0 index which is available, and that is other pointer I just at the pointer used to end of that array is indicate of 7. And next value as assigning the variable is 0. It will contain this maximum water of the maximum amount of the waters it will contain, and check it is condition true. Yes, because this will be a 0 and it is R is it's like what is the length 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 it's 9 minus 1 is 8, so it is a true. So this comes and check it will be contain that height of the waters that is available of that index. So zero level index is what is the height? So 1, and a second one is last value 7. So 7 is the height of the water, and after that is check who is the minimum amount of water inside this uh, among the among of that height levels right here left. So it is so it will come to his left because the left is a 1. So it's come inside the 1, and after that mean, and inside this width. What is the width of that? So R is 8 and 0. So it will be 8 multiplied by 1. So what is the come inside this 8? So it will be go assign that 8 value and check who is the value is right. Just like who is the greater value. So I1 is smaller, so it will true. So go to increase as L it's like L index move here. It will come to 8 point. After that is check. After that condition will be true. So go and check that values. What is the height of the waters and that index. So it L is become a 1. So this in this index is height is a 8. Height is a 8 and is assigned that LH, and RH is already has a 7. So C is the minimum. So 7 is the minimum heights. So it will assign the minimum. And after that, check. So minimum is what is the minimum 7, and what is the width of that width of that between of left and right index. So what is the width? So R is 8 and L will become a 1. So 7. 7 into 7 is 49. 14 is just C, which is the maximum values. 14 and maximum values again is go to assign. So it is a go to entire process is to is when it's become a 1, 2 as it is 3, and as entire process will continues go to is check is which maximum waters or maximum water level can store among that among these container. So it will be checked and find that maximum water level with the area. So it will contain the maximum water level. So finally, it will be written that what is come to maximum water level and finally print it. I hope you understood. So let's see it will be submitting or not. You can see it is submitting. I hope you understood the problems and my questions and flow the codes. You have any problems, please, I request you, please leave the message in description box. So I will be definitely verify my codes, and I will try to is give another way to is there is a easy way to is handle that question. And thank you for watching the videos. Thank you once again. We will meet in next video.